Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term YKW. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, YKW is an acronym for you know what, used to imply something unspoken or obvious. People use it when they want to hint at something without saying it directly. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. YKW first showed up in the early 2000s internet chats and texting. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among younger people and social media users. Now let's check out how to use YKW in a sentence. Correct example 1. I wasn't going to say it, but YKW, the surprise party was a success. Correct example 2. Hey, we should meet up later, YKW. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said YKW at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using YKW right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. YKW means an acronym for you know what, used to hint at something obvious. It started in the early 2000s internet chats, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with YKW in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.